Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate and get on with your day. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add the default or new search engine plugins to qBittorrent version 5. This should work on all operating systems, but in this case I'm showing this on Windows. I have tested it on Ubuntu and on macOS too, and it is the exact same interface. I am going to assume that qBittorrent version 5 is installed and you don't need a lecture on what not to use this for. In this example, we are going to search for the Linux distribution Ubuntu, a very well-known piece of FOSS software which stands for free and open source. Many Linux distros choose to distribute their ISO files via the Tor network. Current version of qBittorrent is version 5.0.0. There is no fixback available yet, meaning we are using the latest version. Select the View menu and enable the Search Engine checkbox. This will result in an extra search tab in the interface. Click the Search tab and you can see the search box. You can now search straight from qBittorrent without the need for external search utilities or websites. Click the Search Plugins button in the lower right corner. I will show you how to install a specific search plugin later. For now, to install the default search plugins, click Check for updates. This will automatically install a default set of search plugins. You will have to figure out for yourself how recent and how useful they are for you. Click OK. You can see them all being added to the list of installed search plugins, and in the enabled column they all read yes. Click Close. When you now search for a search term, the list is populated with results from all of the search plugins. To fine-tune this, you can disable entire plugins or select categories and/or specific search engines to use. By default, it will use all the plugins currently enabled. In the official qBittorrent wiki page, there is a link to the list of unofficial search plugins, if you don't want to use the default list of plugins. This is how you can install a specific one. Go to the webpage for the unofficial search plugins. The link is in the description of this video for your convenience. And select a search engine to your liking. Check the version and last update column to check for relevance. When you simply click the download link, it will most likely show you the actual Python script. Keep that in mind, these are Python scripts. Therefore, I will read out this text from the qBittorrent wiki. Note that Python plugin scripts are, by its nature, not considered to be safe. Therefore, any use of the unofficial plugins is at your own risk. It is a good practice to audit and take a look at the plugin or script before you install. You can save this Python script, but the easiest is to go back and just right-click the link and select Save Link As and store it somewhere on your file system. Go back to qBittorrent, click Search Plugins. You can see I've removed the earlier ones by right-clicking and selecting Uninstall. Also note that the link to the list of unofficial search plugins is shown in the dialog. Click Install a new one, select a local file and browse to the file you have just downloaded. You can import multiple files at once. Click Close. The search plugin will automatically be enabled. Now when I search for something like I did earlier, I can be very specific with the search engine I want to use. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!